It's easy to raise or lower the roof planes on a building that you've already designed, and there's a couple of ways to do this. You can raise or lower individual roof planes by double-clicking on the roof plane, lock the pitch, and then change the ridgetop height, the baseline height, or the fascia top height. If I change any one of these numbers, the other numbers will adjust to accommodate it. If I raise this up to 240 inches and hit my Tab key, you'll see that the other numbers will change. When I click OK now, you can see that my roof plane has been raised up. I'll click Undo. If you want to raise or lower all of the roof planes at one time, keeping their relative heights and their pitch as you originally designed, we can do this by going to the floor plan view. Here in the floor plan view, you can see that some of my roof planes are displayed on the first floor level. Some of them have built and are displayed on the second floor level. If you want to raise them all at one time, you'll want them all to display on the same level. I'll go back down to the first floor level. To select just the roof planes in a floor plan, you can use the Active Tool Selection mode. To do this, I'll activate the Roof Plane tool, then hold down my Shift key and click and drag a marquee around the entire building. As you can see, this has selected only the roof planes. I'm on the first floor level, so I want to display these on the second floor level with the second floor roof planes. In my toolbar at the bottom, I can click on Display on Floor Above. This will not move the height of these roof planes, it'll simply display them on the next floor. Now when I go up to the second floor level, you can see that the entire roof is all displayed on that second floor level. Now we can select all of the roof planes at one time to raise or lower them. Again, I'll make sure that my roof plane tool is active, then hold down my Shift key, click and drag a marquee around everything, which will select all of my roof planes at one time. If I open up these roof planes, you can see that the values are different for the ridgetop height, the baseline height, and the fascia top height in all of these fields, as indicated by the no change you see in each of these boxes. We also have a different pitch for every roof plane, so using the roof plane specification dialog to raise or lower these roofs is not practical. So we'll cancel out of here, and with our roof planes still selected, we'll go down to the Edit toolbar at the bottom and use our Transform Replicate tool. In the Transform Replicate tool, you can do several things. You can copy, move, rotate, resize, and reflect. In our case, we simply want to move them. If you move something in the X delta, that direction is right and left on your screen. The Y delta is up and down on your screen in Floor Plan View. The Z delta is the height direction. If we want to raise the roof planes up, we'll put a positive number under the Z delta. If we want to move them down, we'll put a negative number. In our case, I'll go ahead and raise them up 24 inches. I'll click OK here, and then we'll take a look at our full overview again. You can see now that our roof planes have raised up, all at the same time, keeping their relative heights and their individual roof pitch values. Note that moving the roof planes is not going to change your ceiling heights. If I go to my orthographic view tools and take a back-clipped cross-section through this building, you can see here that my ceiling planes have stayed at their default ceiling heights, whereas my roof plane raised up. Chief will automatically fill in the space between the ceiling height, or top of wall, and the roof plane with an automatically generated attic wall.